Yo, baby, you ready to let the games begin? Baby. Cause I'm ready.
Hey, yeah.
On your mark, get set, here we go.
No edges to instant edges.
Go, shorty, it's your birthday. We gon' party like it's your birthday. We gon' sip Bacardi like it's your birthday. And you know we don't give up, cause that's your birthday. You'll find me in the club, I'm full of bug. My mind got what you need if you need to feel a buzz. I'm into having sex, I ain't into making love. So come give me a hug if you're into getting rough. You can find me in the club, I'm full of.
Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Beauty Passion. Yes, it's Super Saturday, baby. Yes, Super Saturday. How's everybody doing on this great Saturday? I hope you all having a great Saturday. I did too. I had a great Saturday. All right, y'all. I really appreciate everybody that watched my last video. I had a ball doing those reactions to NITE and ARMON'S skit, and then Legacy is back. Legacy is back. So she was great in the last vlog. We got a great vlog from her dad and Legacy. So I'm glad that we able to see her on the screen again before she goes back to her mom's house. All right, y'all. So before I get started with this video, I need you to like my video. I need you to like my video right now because you know it's going to be great. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, who better? Who better? Ain't nobody better than Beauty Passion. Nobody. All right, y'all. Let's get started with this reaction video. So listen. Today was a pretty calm day, you know. And then I was hearing like people say like they posted a post on Shade Room Scenes of Armon and Legacy. So I boogied on over there to see what it looked like and which scene that they post. And they posted a scene when he was in a car and he was talking to NITE and Legacy. I'm like, oh, okay. But then I went to the comments. I didn't even think the comments was going to go like this, y'all. So, yeah, I didn't even think the comments was going to go like this, y'all. So, I'm not even going to lie. I was pretty thrown off by the comments. A lot of the comments was saying, in that scene, NITE was sitting in the back seat and Legacy was sitting across from her. And it seemed like a normal little scene, you know. I didn't see anything, you know. But people on Shade Room Teens had a lot to say about Reginae being around Legacy so early in their dating life. So let me just read some of the comments that I read in the Shade Room Teens, and then I'll give you my take on it, and then y'all let me know how y'all feel about it, okay? All right. So from Alicia Marie, I'm sorry, but no. You cannot have my child around your girlfriend if y'all haven't been together for more than a year. I would have raised hell. Listen, y'all. I didn't even think that was a thing, to be honest. Everybody have seen Reginae on TV. And let's just be honest. We know Reginae is not a bad person. Let's just be all the way honest. If Reginae was like a bad, horrible person, we would have seen it by now. We would have seen it. From her mother, from her dad, we don't see nothing bad. I ain't gonna say nothing, but to be honest, we know that her background isn't a toxic background. Now, had it been a random that Armon was dating, maybe, you know, maybe we would feel some kind of way. But for some reason, I'm thinking everybody know how Reginae is. We've been seeing her on TV. She stays out of trouble. Like, how do y'all figure she is not worthy of being around Legacy? I didn't see that comment coming at all, y'all. Now, I understand. Again, I had a little girl. I had to be careful who she met. To be honest, it was around a year before she met anybody I dated. And some guys, they did feel some kind of way about it. They were like, Dad, when I would meet her, most of the guys never even got to the point to even meet my daughter. It's just one of those things. Like, kids do get attached to people quick. So what if they get attached? This is another comment that said, What if she get attached to Reginae and then it don't work out with her and Armand? I get that too. But for some reason, I didn't think that was going to even be a problem. I just didn't think that was going to be a problem. I thought like, oh, she met Reginae. All they vibing, all they bonding. Oh, that's good. She like, they could play with each other, blah, blah, blah. But some people felt some kind of way because they said it was too early for Nene to meet Legacy. And they should have dated a little while longer before he even brought Reginae around Legacy. I don't know. I don't feel that way. Let me know how y'all feel in the comments below. Do y'all think it was too early for Armand to bring Legacy around Reginae? Based on the fact that this is the 5th month of them dating. Month number 5. So it hasn't even been 6 months. Is it okay for him to bring Nene around his daughter? Is it safe to say that she's going to be in his future? Is it okay if she get bonded with Nene? What if she get bonded with Nene and they break up? You gotta look at all point of views. Sometimes we wasn't even thinking that far. You know what I'm saying? But in relationship, things do happen. So is it too soon? Tell me how y'all feel about that comment. So basically, she's saying nobody should come around your kid, at least for her, until a year of dating. How y'all feel about that? And is it a time frame on it? For me, it was. I never brought anybody around my child. The first time I brought somebody around my child before 1 year, she was almost about to get out of high school. I'm not kidding you. She was about to get out of high school. Maybe she probably was in high school. She was in her last year of high school. That was the first time I ever brought anybody around her earlier than a year. So, I get it. But in this situation, it's not a common situation, I feel like. I just feel like it's not common. Okay, so listen. This is what the next commenter under the Shade Room scene said. Having your child around somebody who you haven't even been with longer than 6 months is wild. Y'all condone anything. I don't give a fuck how cute they is. Don't have my child around everybody you meet, especially if you don't know if it's a long term or not. How y'all feel about that comment? I mean, how do you know if it's going to be long term or not? I mean, they tell us it's going to be long term, but how do you know? So, I mean, how do you know how long you're going to be with somebody? So I think that's where you started. You don't really know how long you're going to be with somebody. Anything can happen, right? So they saying that you got to have a long term in your mind. It got to be a long term for you to bring your child around a person they're dating. All right, the next commenter say, I love them, but being around a daughter right now is crazy. I think a lot of people thinking about too, Essie, and the fact that like, dang, like you taking my kid around your new girlfriend, your new girlfriend already. That's probably how Essie looking at it, and that sounds like how this commenter is looking at that point of view. Like, man, it's like you could look at it a couple of different ways. To me, it don't matter. It's Nene. I feel like she's a good person. I don't know. I really can call characters. I don't feel like Nene is a bad person at all. I feel like she's not going to harm Legacy. Why can't she meet Legacy? Why? Why can't she meet Legacy? That's how I feel. But other people saying it's too soon. And this person said that that's crazy to have her around Nene that soon. Okay, let's see what the next commenter say. Okay, so the next commenter said, that's way too soon. I guess she met her ex, which they talking about Lucci, and they gonna say he had 20 kids. But who knows if they gonna be together long enough for that baby to understand. That's what another commenter said. So that's their take on it. And then I'm gonna read one more comment. Another commenter say, one thing Reginae gonna do is play stepmother. I thought that was a little bit harsh too, because I don't see her being stepmother. I just see the fact that like you dating a man with kids, that means the kids are gonna be around. What are you gonna do? Act like they not there? Like you gonna have to interact with the kids. I don't think they ask you to play the role as a stepmother, but if they're there, what are you going to do? Act like they not there? Right. So I don't know. Y'all tell me y'all thoughts on it in the comments below. Tell me how y'all feel about that. Let me know, were you in a situation where you introduce your kid to somebody too quick and then y'all end up not being together? Or do you even think it should be a problem? Should it even be a problem at all? Should that even be a concern to anybody? All right, let me know how y'all feel in the comments below. Hecky no, Joe. It's Beauty Passion, and I'm out.